Hi, Puppet.
Hello.
What? Puppet, what are you doing?
Be excited. There's going to be like a big 3-day weekend coming up, right?
There is a big 3-day weekend coming up. It's Labor Day weekend. We are going into Labor Day weekend, the last long weekend of the summer.
Oh, yeah. You understand? It's like one big 3-day bash. Everybody getting crazy, like Mardi Gras, stuff going wild, whatever. People painting faces and
Puppet, I'm not sure about
sit-ins and all that stuff.
Not sure about that, Puppet. I don't. Why would you think that?
Me found a bunch of old Newsweek magazines out in the garage from the 1960s.
Puppet, as much as happy as I am that you are studying history, I'm not sure that that's correct about the Labor Day weekend, but I like it, and I do like this little tie-dye shirt you've got on.
Oh, thank you.
You look like a member of the Grateful Dead there.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, me look like Jerry Garcia. Prepping for the 3-day bash. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Puppet, it is a 3-day bash, but people usually go. It's the last family vacation before the official. It marks the official end of summer.
Oh, that's a little different than what we read.
Well,
but to be frank, my current events magazines aren't exactly current. So.
Well, people often go camping. They have
camping.
Barbecues. They do final family reunions because then everybody starts thinking school, back to school, football, all of the things that come with that. So, with that in mind, I thought that we would do one final summer salad. Well, the sweet corn is fresh, the tomatoes are fresh. You want to do that?
Sure.
Okay. So
keep on trucking through your salad.
Thank you, Jerry. So we're going to put the bowl here, and actually I want to demonstrate. So this this salad is probably corn-based. It's 5 simple ingredients. It's sweet corn, it's fresh and in season. Heirloom tomatoes, which I know you like. Cannellini beans. Arugula.
Smells like skunk.
It's good. It's good.
But
And then feta. So, but what I did want to show you is it is a corn base, and you know what? This is just a steamed corn. You bring the water to a boil, put the corn in, turn the fire off, and then let it go for about 20 minutes. It steams it rather than boils it to death. Now, I don't know if you can see this at home, but you know how we like to cut off corn, because for this salad, I like it in strips. And so you're not chasing it. Look at that. Puppet, you could even do that. You cut it off, and it comes off in a strip, much like this. Look at.
Oh, yeah.
And it makes a lovely salad.
Very nice.
So we just thought we'd demonstrate that. We're going to start dumping it in, and it's going to go quick. Okay?
Little walls of corn.
Little walls of corn. Let's put that over there.
It smells good.
It's fresh sweet corn because we are in August. So dump that all in.
The last of the summer corn.
The last of the summer corn. You get it. You get it, and it makes you happy. So we put that in. We put the corn in, and usually I put it around the edge, but we're going to just pile it on top of each other. Look. It's also, you got that. You get that. Yep. Okay. So next in, tomatoes.
What a long, strange trip it's been for these vegetables.
Sliced cherry tomatoes on top. Heirloom. Then we put in some cannellini beans. Cannellini beans. I know those are a favorite of yours. Again, just pile it on top.
Cannellini beans.
Put those over here.
It takes a lot of sun to grow those.
It does. And
sometimes the lights are shining on me.
Then we put in the arugula goes in next. And you know what I like to do with arugula? I like to trim it up.
Give it a haircut.
Because otherwise it gets a little stringy, and I don't think that that's pleasant to serve that way. Let's cut it up. See, you're getting a nice pile there. Let's put this over here.
Piling. Do. Keep going.
Then we're going to put in the feta.
Feta.
Just crumble up the feta.
Crumble it up.
Put in a little bit. This is 4 ounces. Crumble it up, but I like to keep a little bit on the top so you can naturally just
you like to say, give it cheese of Jerry Garcia proportion.
Yes. Oh, well, Puppet. Very good. Then a little lemon zest. We're going to zest up the lemon. Oh, smell that, Puppet. It smells so delicious. Then salt and pepper to taste, whatever you want to do. Look at that. Oh, look at that salad. Doesn't it look delicious? Then we're going to dress it. Simple olive oil, S&P, rice wine vinegar because it's
Yep.
sweeter.
Yep.
Sometimes I put in apple cider
A little
vinegar.
brightness. Yeah.
Look at you.
Yeah.
Oops,
Oh.
there with the lid.
Oh.
Right in the salad. Make sure you don't serve
Well,
that.
it's party weekend. Yeah.
Party weekend. It all ties in, just like the
Yeah.
tie-dye shirt.
Oh, thank you.
Then this time we're going to actually spin it up. We're
it.
going to spin it up.
Spin it.
Look how delicious
Yeah.
that corn
Very
is.
colorful, like my shirt.
It's very colorful.
Yeah.
And you know what? Crusty loaf of bread,
Crusty.
bottle of rosé. Look how nice that corn is when you
Oh,
can
yeah.
serve it in pieces. I really
Wall
like
of
that.
corn, yeah.
It's very dramatic.
Yeah.
Very dramatic salad presentation. Okay? Mix it up.
Like fancy hippie art.
It is fancy hippie
Yeah.
art. Mix that up.
Mix it.
And you can always add a little more. You know what? I want just a little bit more arugula on top just to make it green. Salt and pepper.
Yes.
Serve it up.
Yep. Serve it
Crusty bread.
up. Serve it up. I think that looks like a bat.
And you are done. You are
Yeah.
done. Final summer salad of the season.
Squeezing.
Sweet corn. 'Cause it's in-
Squeezing. Do 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 squeezing.
This is a bit of. This is what do you say? This one's off the rails a little bit. What do you
Kind of a
say?
mess. This show's a disaster. Not sure what's going on.
Nope. We're getting ready for that final Labor Day push puppet.
Oh, push.
Salad's done. You know where to
Push
find
in.
it. You know where to find it. Put a
Yeah,
little
just
bit.
keep traveling on the road. Keep going.
Oh, puppet.
May not even know the words to that song.
Well, you're doing well.
Oh, thanks.
All right. This is the final summer
I'm
salad.
not sure the Grateful Dead ever knew the words to their own songs either.
Please enjoy your Labor Day weekend. Be safe, be happy. Find the recipes. You know what? You can send us pictures of your Labor Day.
Oh yeah, do it. Do it. We want to see pictures.
We want to see pictures
Yeah.
of what people are doing. Wouldn't
Yeah.
that be fun?
Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
let's start doing that. Send
Yeah.
us pictures, send us photos. You know how to get us.
Do
You
it.
know what the email is.
Yeah.
Enjoy that final weekend of the summer, and we will
Yeah.
see you next week for football kickoff.
Yeah, party time. 3-day party.
3-day party.
Do. See everybody.
See
Goodbye.
everybody.
Have a good
Bye.
weekend. Have a good time.